Want to unlock your full potential? Then pause the scroll and pay attention. Your daily habits shape every aspect of your success. Try this routine for just 1 week, and you'll be astonished by your own transformation. 1. Rise early, between 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. No snooze. Champions seize their mornings. Getting up before dawn gives you an advantage, greater control over your schedule, and a win before most people even open their eyes. By waking before the crowd, you carve out quiet moments for planning, self-growth and reflection, building grit and discipline. 2. Hydrate immediately. After a night of rest, your body needs water. Drinking it first thing kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and energizes your brain. Staying well hydrated supports digestion, enhances skin health, and sharpens mental performance. For extra detox power and minerals, stir in a pinch of pink Himalayan salt or a splash of lemon. 3. Absorb morning light and move. Just 10 minutes of sun exposure lifts your mood, syncs your sleep rhythms, and boosts energy by spurring serotonin production. Combine this with a bit of movement, stretching, jumping jacks, or a short stroll to warm up your muscles and circulate blood. Morning motion enhances posture, flexibility, and circulation, priming you for an active day. 5. Spend 5 minutes meditating. A short meditation clears mental clutter, heightens focus, and lowers stress. It fortifies your emotional resilience, so you respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively to challenges. Simply close your eyes, follow your breath, and let your thoughts drift away. A few minutes of mindfulness each morning can elevate productivity, ignite creativity, and calm anxiety. 5. Map out your day. High achievers don't wait for their day to unfold. They design it and then execute. List your top priorities and break them into bite-sized, doable steps. By evening, you'll have tangible progress to show. Pre-planning slashes wasted time and steers you steadily toward your long-term ambitions. 6. Postpone your coffee. Resist reaching for caffeine at the moment you wake. Hold off for 60 to 90 minutes to let your natural alertness peak first. Then use coffee as a genuine productivity enhancer, not a dependency. 7. Carve out deep work. No interruptions. Set aside 1 to 2 hours for laser-focused effort. Mute notifications, apply strategies like the Pomodoro technique, and tackle your most demanding task first. Multitasking saps efficiency and raises stress. Guard your prime energy window by removing distractions and diving into uninterrupted work. A single solid deep work session outperforms a day of scattered effort. 8. Read and learn every day. Even 10 pages can transform your mindset, broaden your horizons, and hone your critical thinking. Ongoing learning introduces fresh ideas, insights, and problem-solving approaches that speed your progress. Commit to reading material that challenges you and teaches new skills. 9. Eat intelligently. Light and nourishing. Choose a high-protein, nutrient-dense meal to power your body without the midday slump. Steer clear of heavy carbs and processed snacks to keep mental clarity and energy levels stable. Opt for lean proteins, fiber-packed vegetables, and wholesome fats to sustain top performance from morning till night. 10. Journal your reflections. Each evening, jot down your successes, takeaways, and objectives for tomorrow. Journaling fosters accountability, motivation, and mental clarity. Reviewing your day helps you celebrate wins, learn from missteps, and refine your approach. 11. Disconnect before sleep. Blue light hampers melatonin production and degrades sleep quality. Instead of screens, unwind with a book, a short meditation, or soothing music. A complete digital detox and dim lighting signal your brain that it's time to rest, making it easier to drift off. 12th, hit the pillow by 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. Quality rest underpins peak performance. Aim for 7 to 8 hours so your mind and body fully recover. Sleep enhances memory, elevates mood, and fortifies your immune defenses. A consistent bedtime ritual ensures you wake up refreshed and ready to conquer the day. In only 1 week, following this plan will sharpen your focus, elevate productivity, and transform your mindset. You'll gain mental clarity, strengthen your discipline, and establish habits that distinguish you from the ordinary. It's not about perfection. It's about persistent growth and unwavering consistency. Are you prepared to level up? Let's go.